guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I have recorded a video, but your girl has been booked and very busy. This year I finally pursued my makeup career full-time, and I'm very blessed and grateful that I am really killing it out here and really busy with all my makeup clients. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. So I went ahead and recorded the full face foundation routine separately because I'm going to turn it into another video, which I will link to this video as well. If you guys recreate this look, like, please send it to me because I would like to see. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm about to take this off because this is like all in the way and it's annoying. I'm going for like a Hollywood type of feel. So I pinned my hair. I haven't done this in a very long time, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Beach. Okay. I'm really excited because today I'll be testing out the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I've been waiting forever to receive it and try it out, and I finally got my hands on it and it matches my nails, even though I broke a nail like right before I was about to film, but it's all good. So I haven't used it at all, so it's brand new, hasn't been touched. So I am super excited because I'm going to do a half cut crease look with this and a liner. So first we're going to start with the crease. I'm trying a new method today that I keep seeing on Instagram, so I kind of want to try it out and see how it comes out. And I'm going to start with the crease first. Usually I start with the transition color and then the crease, but this time I'm going to reverse it and see how it comes out. So the first color that I'm going to use is this purple color right here. It's called Soul. And I'm just going to pack that into my crease. Let's see how these shadows come up because I'm really excited. Okay, so it's easy to blend. And then gently blend this out using circular motions. I'm loving this color so far. Yes. So once you pack that color into the crease, I'm going in with my Morphe M441 brush using this pink color as the transition color, which is called Love. And just blending that purple out and blending it in with that. I'm using swiping motions. Try to be very light-handed with this. And I like to start in the inner corner and then spread it out. I'm just going to go back in with the previous brush, no extra product, just blending everything out. And I'm doing this same step with the transition color and kind of weighing it out. It reminds me of the palette Subculture, but a little bit more blendable. But I like it. I don't have any real complaints yet. So now I'm going to apply some highlight to my brow bone, and I'm using the color Dreamer. They are kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like dusty, if that makes sense. But I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much. And I'm just gonna apply this color to the brow bone. So now we're gonna cut the crease. To cut the crease, I am using the Morphe M124 brush, using my HD concealer from NYX. Remember, be very patient, especially if it's, you know, you're just starting and you don't want to rush anything. That's the #1 thing that I try not to do with makeup. If I want it to come out the way that I want it to come out, patience is key. Now that I cut the crease, I'm going to apply the lid color, which I'm using this pink shimmer color. It's called Wild Child. And for that, I like wetting the brush. And I just use the Mario Badescu spray, wet it, and apply it onto the lid. I don't think I've ever done like a pink look before. And I'm not even sure why, because pink is like my favorite color. My room is literally all white, pink, and gray. And I use patting motions. I'm going to use my finger and see how that applies. I'm liking how it looks when I apply it with my finger. Okay, bitch. It's looking really, really good. I'm excited. I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics a detail brush. And I'm going to go back in with that color Soul and apply this on the outer corner of the eye. This look is definitely going to make me feel like a Barbie. And I'm just really packing on that color. Going back with my finger and blending the two colors together. So now I am going to use the brush that came with the palette. It looks like this. So it's duo ended. I'm going to use this brush to apply the bottom lash line. But first I am going in with that color Love and packing that under the eye. Using the other end, I'm blending that color out. With the same brush, I'm dipping it into the color Soul and focusing that more on the very lash line. For the inner highlight, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlighter palette, and I am using the color Forever Lit. And then for my liner, I'm using the NYX Matte liquid liner. This is definitely my favorite liquid liner. So now for my lip, I'm going to use this NYX Suede Matte Lip liner in the color Brooklyn Thorn. I just shadow in my lips with the same lip liner. This color is bomb. It was like almost sold out at Ulta, and usually I love going for the colors that are almost sold out. And every time I choose a color that's almost sold out, it's a bomb color. So if you ever go to Ulta and you don't know what to get, but you want like new fresh colors, always look for the colors that are almost sold out, because most likely they're the bomb colors. Now that I have applied the lip liner, I'm just going to go over it with the Fenty Beauty Cosmic Gloss in the color Spacesuit. Now I feel like going on a date, you know, but yeah, about that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. I believe these are from the brand Kiss. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera, and then I'll be back and show you guys the final result. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys loved this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. All of the products mentioned in this video will all be listed down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. And before I get off this video, I just wanted to briefly say I started a contest here in Kansas City, is where I live. And there's this magazine called The Pitch, and they're having a contest right now of the best of Kansas City. So there's different categories, and I, got in the contest pretty late. I didn't expect to make it to the finals, but I said, you know what, let me just try anyways. And I did a story, and surprisingly, I made it to the finals. It would mean the world to me if you guys could vote for me. I believe I'm the best because I really care about my clients. I really care about my craft. This is something that I've been wanting for a very long time. And now that I have it, I take it so serious because I'm just so appreciative of how far I've came in makeup in my career. So I'm super excited, super happy that I'm in this contest, and it would help me so much if you guys can go vote for me. All the info will be down below. I will provide a link, and you just go to Goods and Services tab and go down to Best Makeup Artist and Best Bridal Makeup Artist, and you should see my name right there, Mickey Gonzalez, and just click vote. And again, if you've already voted, thank you so much. You guys don't even know how grateful I am. I was not expecting it, and I'm very excited for what's to come. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.